Welcome into my kitchen. Come on in and watch me create this taco flour tortilla cheesy bake. Oh yeah, made Sheila's Creations way. Look at all that cheesy goodness, and it's quick and easy. Oh yeah, let's get started. Go ahead and get your hamburger ground meat made up for the taco meat. You can use turkey, whatever you like. We got a fresh tomato, we have our mozzarella, and we have our tortilla, flour tortilla shells. So what we're going to do, I got my parchment paper laid out. And we have the large tortillas. You can use smaller if you like, but we want the bigger ones. And what you're going to do with each one of these tortilla shells, we're going to fill it with the taco meat. Oh yeah. And then we're going to cover it with the mozzarella cheese. And then we're going to dice up that tomato and lay that tomato dices on top of the cheese or on top of the meat. And then we're going to roll it over and just keep watching, because you're going to see how we create this awesome cheesy taco flour tortilla bake. Oh yeah. And don't forget, go ahead now, preheat that oven at 350 degrees, because once we get done with everything we're doing here, we are going to bake it in the oven for 25 minutes. Now, as you see me roll this, the part that's laying open, the flap, we're gonna lay it on the bottom so that it lays flat down and there's nothing open at the top of this flour tortilla. And we're gonna go and we're gonna do all the tortillas, stuff them like this. And just remember, when you roll up everything, that you roll it up to where the opening is laying flat down. I'm going to be using a 9x12 casserole dish, but you can use aluminum baking pan or whatever your preference, just as with the seasonings, whatever your preference. If you want to add black olives to this, you can. If you want to add extra fiesta cheese to this, you can. If you want to add mushrooms, you can. You can do whatever you want to do. It's your making. You can put whatever toppings on it you like. But if you want to do it this way, I'm showing you the way that I made them. Go check out the mukbang. Oh yeah, because we mukbang this at PromoSTK, eating good in the neighborhood. Oh yeah, baby. So as you see, I have a jar of pasta sauce. Y'all can use marinara sauce, whatever type of pasta sauce you like. But I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of this in the bottom of my casserole dish. Then I'm going to take one of those tortilla shells and I'm going to lay it at the bottom and then put a little bit more sauce on top of that. And then those 4 nice sized flour tortillas, I'm going to lay them alongside in the casserole dish. And then once I'm done layering that, I have a little can of cooking spray that I'm gonna put on the ends of the tortilla shells to make sure they don't stick to the glassware. And then once I've done that, the remaining of the pasta sauce I'm going to be putting on top of the flour tortilla, and I'm going to spread it across. And then as you see, I had a 2-pound bag of mozzarella cheese, but I didn't use the entire bag because I had already used some for a different recipe. So I had about 1.5 pounds of cheese that I used throughout this entire recipe. So just sprinkle the remaining cheese on top of the sauce and get it in the oven. Again, at 350 for 25 minutes, uncovered. Go check out the mukbang. It's on my mukbanging channel. And if you're looking at this video right now, oh yeah, if you're looking at this video right now, that video for my mukbang dropped this morning, and y'all go check it out. All right, so we've taken it out of the oven. Oh, look at that cheesy goodness. We're going to go ahead and slice this up, get it on the plate, and the next thing you guys going to see is us mukbanging it. So go on over to PromoSTK Eating Good in the Neighborhood and see how we like this cheesy goodness. Oh yeah, Taco Tuesday, any day of the week.